Hi everyone, welcome back. This is Jose. In this lecture we're going to implement user signup. We'll start with a reducer that keeps track of who's currently logged in as a state variable current user. Various thunks will update the current user as we sign up, log in, and log out. The current user will be in a Redux store so all components can know whether someone is logged in or not. The app component is the root of the React application and defines navigation. For now we'll focus on the signup screen. We'll follow this design depicting how all components interact. Let's start looking at the user signup screen. When the user clicks on the signup button, the signup screen dispatches the user to a signup thunk. The signup screen keeps username and password in state variables. When users click on the register button, we dispatch the username and password to the signup thunk. The signup thunk then sends the user to the user service. Thunks integrate asynchronous server calls with reducers. The signup thunk awaits the user service signup to store response in the reducer. User service posts the user embedded in the HTTP body to the controller. The user service implements various HTTP messages to the controller. Configure Axios to include cookies in the HTTP messages. Signup service posts the user to the signup HTTP endpoint handled by the controller. Let's now see how the user controller handles the HTTP events. The user controller will handle all user-related HTTP messages. New users will be stored in a Mongo database. The user schema defines the user data. User model provides low-level database functions. Data access objects implement various CRUD operations. We only need the create user and find user by username functions to implement signup. We use Mongoose to connect and interact with a Mongo database. Set up Cursor session to configure cross-domain and secure communication. Configure CORS to use secure cookies and whitelist localhost 3000. Configure Express session to secure cookies. User controller implements various user-related HTTP events. Let's focus first on signup for now. The signup function handles the signup HTTP event. We first parse the user from the HTTP body. Then we check if the username is available by looking up the user by their username. If username is not available, then respond with an error 403. If username is available, create the new user and store it in the session property current user. Controller responds with the new user who just signed up. Now let's go back to the React web application to see how we handle the response. Thunk is awaiting response from service. Thunks integrate asynchronous HTTP requests with the reducer. Signup thunk extracts current user as the action payload and stores it in current user state variable. Once current user is in the reducer, it can be accessed by any component. Signup screen can extract the current user. If you're already signup up, then send to profile screen. Profile screen should display all user-related information. Profile screen selects the current user from the reducer. Profile screen greets the current user. We should not allow navigating to the profile screen if no one is logged in. Protect a route by surrounding it with a protected route. The protected route component only renders its children if there's a current user. If there's a current user, then render the child, in other words, the profile screen. If there's no current user, then navigate to log in.